Hey guys, welcome to tutorial. Today I'll be showing you how to sign into your Fliki AI account on your PC. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into your Fliki AI account on your computer, first open up your preferred browser. As I have already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar, click over there and type in Fliki.ai like this and hit on enter, or you can just simply search for Fliki login on the Google itself and hit on enter, where on the top of the result you can see there is the Fliki AI. Click over there and you can see guys, this is the website from the Google search results, whereas in the first tab we wrote the or typed the web address directly. Since both of these pages are same, let's close one of these. Now in order to log into our Fliki AI account, first we will be required to click on either start creating over here on the middle of the screen, or at the top right corner of the screen where I'm hovering right now. Click over there, and at the left side of this page or the web page you can see these buttons to continue with Google, Facebook or LinkedIn account, and with also the continue with the custom email. We'll be continuing with the custom email guys, not these. But if you want to continue with your Google, Facebook or LinkedIn, you can simply do that from over here. If you click on any of these buttons relating to Google, Facebook or LinkedIn, or login page to your Facebook account or Google or a LinkedIn account will open, where if you log into your respected accounts, you'll be logged into your Fliki AI with these accounts. With that being said, let's click on continue with key email and let's enter our custom email like this. And after entering your email, you'll be required to click on next like this over here, and you can see there is the send verification code option available here, and let's click on the send verification code. After that, a code will be sent to you on your email address, and after you have received your verification code, enter your code over here, uh, depending upon which one you have received. And after receiving your code, click on verified and you'll be able to log into your Fliki AI account online from over here. And then you have to sign into your Fliki AI account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.